Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between the DUMOS Ice Maker and the Typhur Nugget Ice Maker. If you're looking for the perfect ice maker for your kitchen, you've come to the right place. We'll explore their unique features, production capacities, and what makes each of these machines stand out. Whether you're hosting a party or just need ice for your daily drinks, we have you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the DUMOS Ice Maker is a budget-friendly option at just $69, making it accessible for those who need a simple ice solution. On the other hand, the Typhur Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $359, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, the DUMOS is the way to go. But if you want the best in ice quality and production, the Typhur may be worth the investment. The type of ice produced is another critical factor. The DUMOS Ice Maker produces traditional bullet-shaped ice, which is great for cooling drinks but lacks the chewable texture many people love. In contrast, the Typhur Nugget Ice Maker specializes in nugget ice, known for its soft and chewable quality, making it perfect for cocktails and blended drinks. If you enjoy nugget ice, the Typhur is the clear winner here. Let's talk about production capacity. The DUMOS Ice Maker can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is suitable for small households or casual gatherings. Meanwhile, the Typhur Nugget Ice Maker boasts a higher capacity of 35 pounds per day, making it ideal for larger parties or frequent use. If you need a steady supply of ice, the Typhur's higher output is a significant advantage. In conclusion, both the DUMOS and Typhur ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The DUMOS is perfect for those on a budget or with limited space, while the Typhur is a premium choice for ice enthusiasts who value quality and capacity. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.